This is the video blog for the Marion Central Corridor project for September 19th, 2012. Lots of paving continued this week. This happened on Wednesday of this week, just to the west of the 11th Street intersection, finishing some minor curb pouring in that intersection, and then moving west into the 1000 block where this amenity zone paving, this is the area below Future Brick, was paved. These box outs in the middle of the street were also paved in colored concrete. Eventually they will be surrounded in brick. This driveway to the library parking lot was completed this week off of 6th Avenue, and workers with KWS began pulling wire for the new traffic signals. This is the control cabinet that you see here. They're working in this intersection over the next week with the mast arms for the new signals, hopefully to be installed within the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is brickwork that was completed last week in the 10th Street intersection. This intersection was open for pedestrian use for the Swamp Fox Festival. You can see a lot of brick was installed in the amenity zones over the past week, and it continues in this block. It will continue behind the curb and eventually in the middle of the street within the next week or so. Here you can see once again the thin layer of asphalt that's put down underneath all that brick. As we look further east, the east half of the block, you can see a little bit more paving was installed. This is the sidewalk. A few more sections of that were paved. Now we're looking down 11th Street from the north. All the paving in the 11th Street intersection is now complete. These are the infiltration beds located in the corners of the intersection that are now being worked on. These need to be complete before contractors are able to open 11th Street to north-south traffic. That is anticipated within the next 2 weeks. Right now, contractors work to pour a small little sidewalk behind the Marion Square Plaza. Actually, since this video was taken, the rest of that sidewalk is now complete. This tiny sliver of paving was poured. This is the parking area in the 1100 block. It's also the final pour as far as the street is concerned in this area. Workers will now move to begin installing the sidewalk here in the 1100 block as they prepare to now move into the 12th Street intersection. Stay tuned for future project updates.